Deep in the heart of the South Pacific, amongst the volcanic islands of Vanuatu, lives a creature of the night, the Vanuatu flying fox. This remarkable animal, with its long, leathery wings and intelligent eyes, is a sight to behold. The Vanuatu flying fox, also known by its scientific name, is one of the largest bats in the world. They can grow to have a wingspan of over 3 feet, their bodies cloaked in a thick coat of reddish-brown fur. Unlike their smaller bat relatives, these flying foxes do not navigate by echolocation. Instead, they rely on their keen eyesight to find their way through the darkness. Their large eyes, perfectly adapted for low-light conditions, gleam like polished stones as they take to the skies at dusk. As the sun dips below the horizon, painting the sky in hues of orange and purple, these magnificent creatures emerge from their roosts, ready to embark on their nightly foraging expeditions. With powerful wing beats, they launch themselves into the air, disappearing into the twilight to begin their vital role in maintaining the delicate balance of the Vanuatu ecosystem. The Vanuatu flying fox is a vital part of the archipelago's ecosystem. They are essential for pollination and seed dispersal. This makes them key to the survival of many plant species on the islands. These flying gardeners are particularly fond of the nectar and fruit of native trees. As they move from island to island, they carry pollen on their fur and in their droppings. This natural form of pollination helps the forests to thrive. Seeds from the fruits they consume are also dispersed far and wide. This allows forests to regenerate and spread to new areas. Without the Vanuatu flying fox, the unique ecosystems of these islands would be in peril. Many plant species rely heavily or even solely on these flying foxes for their survival. The disappearance of the flying fox would have a devastating ripple effect on the entire ecosystem. It would lead to a decline in plant diversity and impact other species that rely on these plants for food and shelter. The Vanuatu flying fox, once a common sight across the archipelago, is facing a growing number of threats. Sadly, these gentle giants are now classified as a vulnerable species. One of the biggest threats is habitat loss. As forests are cleared for agriculture and development, flying foxes are losing their natural homes. This forces them into smaller and more fragmented areas, making them more vulnerable to predators and disease. Hunting is another major threat, with some communities considering the flying fox a source of food. Cyclones, a regular occurrence in the region, also pose a significant threat to these aerial nomads. These powerful storms can devastate entire forests in a matter of hours, destroying roosting sites and food sources, leaving the flying foxes with limited options for survival. Climate change is also having an impact, with rising sea levels threatening to engulf low-lying islands and extreme weather events becoming more frequent and intense. Protecting the Vanuatu flying fox is crucial. Conservation efforts are underway to safeguard this species for future generations. Local communities are at the forefront of these efforts, working to protect the forests and educate others about the importance of the flying fox. Establishing protected areas where hunting and logging are prohibited is essential to provide safe havens for these creatures. Raising awareness about the ecological importance of the Vanuatu flying fox is crucial to garnering support for conservation efforts. The future of the Vanuatu flying fox hangs in the balance, but there is still hope. By understanding the threats they face and taking action to protect them, we can ensure that these magnificent creatures continue to grace the skies of Vanuatu for many years to come. It is our responsibility to protect not only these gentle giants of the night sky, but also the delicate ecosystems they help to maintain.